Hi YouTubers, this is Zero Amps, and in this video I'm going to show you what's inside this small suitcase. I bought it the other day on AliExpress. And this is my new Rotary tool, which I'm going to show you, and I'm also going to test it. Here are different bits. I show you how to use them. This is the tool itself. At the first sight it looks good. This is the button for changing revolutions. The minimum is 8,000 and the maximum is 30,000 per minute. Here are the parameters. Yeah, nothing special. It's made for European plugs. To unscrew the jack, you have to push the button on the side. And the same if you want to screw it back. This is protective shield. This is for adjusting depth for drilling. These are holders for a flexible shaft. This is the shaft itself. These are spare brushes and you can replace them here. This is the user manual, which says what you shouldn't do. I don't like it much. The body is very light and it fits to my hand. This way you can use the protective shield. It's made of plastic and it should protect your eyes. This way you can join the flexible shaft with the body. Again, during the screwing you have to push the button on the side. You can use the wrench. And in the end you have to put on it the upper part. This is the other end of the flexible shaft and you put bits into it the similar way. This is the holder which you can put on the edge of a table. Then you have to screw on it the second holder, and all together it looks like this. And now I'm going to have more fun because I'm going to test all accessories delivered with this tool. So the first thing I'm going to try is this thing, they call it a locator, where you can adjust the depth of your holes. This is a drill bit which I'm going to use. Okay, and let's try it out. Drill bits, I think, passed the test. In next test I'm going to try these wire brushes. You can use them for removing rust or such. Frankly, I didn't expect that. I couldn't help and I went to buy these high quality Dremel bits, and I'm also going to try these ones, whether they're better than dodgy Chinese ones. The Dremel ones seems to be alright, but Chinese ones didn't pass this test. These bits are grinding stones, and I'm going to test them on my garden scissors. I think this grinding stone passed the test. The second stone I'm holding in my hand is called dressing stone, and you can fix grinding stones with it. These are engraving bits, and you can use them for engraving. I've never used them before, so it's going to be my first masterpiece. So this is my first masterpiece. Engraving bits all survived and they passed this test. This is a saw disc. I'm going to try. The saw disc also passed this test, and in another test I'm going to cut stones. I'm going to test it on these two stones I found outside. I have to put stones into the water before starting cutting them. It looks good. I think this disc passed our test. and there is no damage on it. Yes. Okay, polishing time. I'm going to make a mirror using these polishing discs. I've just applied polishing paste on the disc. Okay, I have to clean it. And I'll try that again. Almost like a mirror. When you use these discs, you should always use some paste on it. In the next test, I'm going to use these sanding bands. This bit definitely didn't pass our test. I went to buy also this high quality bit from Dremel. I need to see the difference and what's wrong with the Chinese one. At the first sight it looks much better than the Chinese one. You have to screw the screw in the middle to fix sanding band on the bit. And that's the problem with the Chinese one. I'll try several times and it doesn't work at all. Probably this specific one is faulty, I don't know. This is also Chinese one, which is smaller, and it works. The main difference between the Chinese one and Dremel one is that Chinese one you have to keep in pliers, otherwise you are not able to fix it. So as you can see, you can use sanding bands, Chinese sanding bands with Dremel bit, and it works also perfectly. This is the reason why I bought this Rotary tool, and I'm wondering whether they survive my testing. Okay, I'm satisfied with these cutting discs, and let's move to the last test. I'm going to test these sanding discs. Honestly, I'm not satisfied with that bit in the middle. The disc survived our test, so I have to say that it passed. I have to say that I'm satisfied with the tool itself. I'm not very satisfied with some of the bits delivered with this tool, but they are replaceable, so you can buy high quality one from Dremel or the other manufacturers. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.